All right, who do we have here?
Mike.
Oh,
and
Sophie.
What are we doing?
Skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes with strangers. You scared, nervous, excited, ready?
All of the above.
Any last words, final comments, confessions in case we don't make it to your next birthday?
Love you, Mom. Love you, Dad.
This is your fault, Mom.
Roll Tide. Bear down.
For me, it's always the same. Take the computer, the tablet, the phone, burn all of it, bury it in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock a sky to have some fun, guys. High five. High five.
Go out.
Here we go. Oh, yeah. Pull that right one all the way down. All the way down.
That was crazy.
Camera, hold it down.
Woo!
Hold it down.
Woo!
Hold it. Yeah, hands up. Woo! Good. Pull the left one down.
Woohoo!
Pull it down. Pull it down. Pull it down.
Woohoo!
Woo! Hands up. Hands up.
Woohoo!
Good.
Woohoo!
All right.
Holy shit! Yeah!
Alright, we made it. What do you think?
Sir, holy shit, my body is sore. I was so tense.
You doing that again?
The whole time. Not today.
Yeah.
Not any
High five, man. Next time you come out, you just got to ask me to play with my balls and you can open the parachute, okay?
Sounds good.
Seattle, Colorado Springs. Thanks for coming out.
Woohoo!
Yeah.